So first of all, after you have created the A/B test, and if you're seeing this message right here, it is not a good sign. It means that there may be some misconfiguration somewhere. So here's what you can do. Right, so I have installed the A/B test on this website right here. So if I just click on here, it will open up a website that you wanted to run A/B testing on. So from here, you can just right click on anywhere and inspect element. This will show you the HTML of your website, right? And from here, as you can see right here, you can see all the HTML to your website. And from here, you can just click on Control F. From here, Control F, and it will bring up this search bar. And from here, all you needed to do is just key in mida.so. So, and press enter. And if you can find something like here, there are some Mida script that can be found. So from here, you can see that the Mida script is indeed installed on the website. So this is the number one thing that you needed to do, is to make sure the Midas pixel is installed on your website. And now we have confirmed that the Midas script has indeed installed on your website. What to do next? The next thing that you wanted to do is to confirm. So right here, as you can see, this is the Midas script. And here is the key equals something something. And this key right here is the project key. So the second thing that you can do to check and see what's wrong is that from here, if you just click on this installation guide, or you can just go to this dashboard and get tracking code. And each of the tracking script, they do have a different project key. So as you can see, the key starts with 1AVP something something 9K. But then from here, it is actually a totally different key. So this is also a common mistake that we have observed from our customers, is that maybe after you have created an account, Mida will automatically help you to create a new project. But then later on, maybe you have created a new project on your own, but then now you have two projects on your account, but you have installed the project key, the pixel from the earlier project, but then now you have created a new project, then you have set up the experiment on the new project. So there's a mismatch right there. So it is very important that you are using the correct project key for the correct experiments, because sometimes there can be a lot of different projects. So make sure you have installed the correct pixel by confirming on the project key. So all you needed to do is just to go to your website, HTML. So right here, as you can see, this is the 1AVP, and this is the one that we have just copied from the Mida. So as you can see, they got two different project key. So, and after you have done this, you should be able to start receiving visitors on your new A/B test. And if this still doesn't resolve the issue, you may also want to look into your targeting rules, because MidaScript will only show the task to visitors that matches this URL. So if you have anything that like, for example, .com, but the URL is indeed .me, for example, then if there's this kind of mismatch, then it will never show the test to anyone. It doesn't matter if you did the preview variant or not. Yeah. So you just have to make sure. And in some cases, you maybe you'll be doing something like with a wildcard or something like that. But then there may be some misconfiguration along the lines. For example, if instead of glitch, you did something like this, right? and this will also work. So better double check on your page targeting just to make sure everything works well, as well as your advanced targeting rules, and to see if there's anything that may prevent all your visitors from being exposed to your new A/B test. So there's these three things that you wanted to make sure. Number one, make sure you have installed the MyDapPixel. Number two, make sure the project key is correct. And number three, make sure targeting rules is not too strict, and there's no misconfiguration anywhere around your filtering rules. And that's all about it. If you need any further help or QA, feel free to reach out to our team, and we will always be happy to help you with your A/B testing journey.